shout out to the guy who said that he wouldn't race my Outback in his BMW because I was a quote-unquote, like, fuckboy Subi driver.
Right, that's...
shout out to that dude. If you want to go on a date to Applebee's, I'm available.
Alright, so, yeah, we're here on another local mountain pass, a little bit different from what we do.
Some people might recognize this road. It's been on a couple of other pretty famous YouTube channels.
Oh, shit, okay. Yeah, tell me that later on. We're chasing a Prelude, a very good driver. You guys have seen him before.
We're on the drag strip right now.
Yeah, he's on RSRRs. And, behind him is a Ford Focus RS. Also a good driver with great tires. And we got a Camaro SS, which has...
This car does not like the uphill.
No.
Say hi for YouTube, kids.
Looks like they got a little gap as I was pointing it back, but that's expected in the drag strip portion of this road. How's the car feel?
Like shit.
Like shit? What else is new?
Yeah, what else is new? At least I got a little more clearance on those fenders now.
Okay.
It's hella weird, because it feels like I'm not going that fast, but I look down and I'm going like 65.
Yeah, it's not a bad pace.
Because this road is hella faster, there's not as many tight corners, so it doesn't feel like you're really hauling ass as much.
Right. Well, we'll get into the technical section, and that's the part where we're more likely to keep up. I'm not trying to die yet.
Not yet.
Got their hazard lights on.
That'd be hella funny if it was like a cop.
Oh.
No.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know.
Did he overheat again?
Who?
The RS.
No.
That would be not surprising.
Be me, drive a Subaru. I'm a little hot too.
Oh, go ahead. Okay. Cool. I guess we're doing this. The Camaro won't have anyone to chase, so we'll see how he does. Might give us a little bit of a chance.
Past most of the steeper uphill, I don't think it should be as bad. That'd be hella funny if I just blew both my head gaskets right now.
That'd be funny?
I mean, for YouTube.
Okay. I was gonna be
for me, I'd probably just drive off the cliff.
Oh.
At that point.
I'll be sure to exit the premises when that happens. I'll get a good angle. We'll leave a GoPro in there.
Yeah, this is like just distilled water right now. Oh. So it doesn't have any cool conditioner or anything in there.
Okay.
To make it yeah.
I'm sure some people have brought some stuff. Oh, okay. I hate to ask because the fuzzy dice is a novel thing, but
if you can get them off, you can take them off.
Okay.
They're really on there though.
Oh. Okay. Okay, indeed, I see. We'll try not to be too distracting.
It's okay, so I put it on there and I hung it over, and then it wrapped itself around it 6 million times.
Oh. Okay.
Just from driving like this.
Okay, fair enough. Oh, he had mercy. That's good.
I don't know if I'd call this mercy, per se. What's good? What's good? What's happening?
Let's just
Oh, there's the focus. I think we're just regaining order.
Okay. Yeah, that's
AC on that explains it.
Oh.
When you have a 4-cylinder, your AC is on. Note when my car is rubbing on the actual body versus when it's just the plastic.
Yeah.
The fender liner. I can tell by the sound now. Okay, here in the single lane.
Okay.
This is what this car was built for. Is this rally shit? Not really.
Well,
but we can pretend.
Yeah. Make it work.
these cars in front of me are double-digit cars, so they're worth like probably like 40 to 50 grand at this point. I don't know. The Prelude is probably the cheapest of all of them.
Yeah, and that's still
that's like built. Like if you included how much the mods cost, it'd be worth a lot.
Oh yeah, definitely. It outperforms the stock S2000 at this point. Oh man.
Whoa. Jesus. What the fuck?
Whoa.
What is wrong with my shifter?
There we go. I don't know. Sometimes it'll lock out.
It just like locked up. Like that was like the weirdest shit. Oh fucking he's overheating again.
Oh, okay.
How is the Focus having more cooling problems than me right now? I don't know. Like my gauge is like it's like a little hot, but it's like not like an issue. Like
I mean, to be fair, it's a German engineered Ford, so
that's fair. Yeah.
There's not much you can go right with that.
Woo. Why are we slowing down?
Wow, dude, like, yeah, you didn't get first place for overheating, so like, that's a win.
I'd say we scraped that Focus on principle alone.
Yeah.
I feel this thing start to rotate a little bit over these crests. It's kind of nice, actually. Like,
hey, yeah, there's enough low traction areas too. Even in the Honda Fit, it gets really rotaty around here.
oh, drag strip. Whip some sick all-wheel drive donuts there a little later or something. Jesus. Yeah, the brakes.
Oh, that's why the
That's the rotor, yeah.
Okay.
I think that's the 18-mile marker. So we're getting there. I think we're nearing the end of the single lane.
Got it.
Oh, there's no water. There's no more water left.
Shit, yeah. I mean, it's been hot days for a while.
It has been, yeah. I don't know. The water looks cool. Looks cool when you drive through it. It just goes everywhere. On a hot day, you come through here to Miata and you get sprayed with the water like it's like a fucking like Six Flags ride.
Oh, yeah, like the log rides.
Yeah.
Except it's in overheating camper cars.
Yeah.
Well, not overheating actually. So yeah, you're already winning.
I feel pretty good, honestly. Like this car is a fucking trooper and a half.
And a half. Oh, the rotation though. What?
Little bit. I watch a lot of Team O'Neill Rally School on YouTube. Shout out to them, by the way.
Oh yeah, they
Team
definitely
O'Neill
need a
Rally
shout out.
School.
We always try to help the smaller channels, you know.
They taught me a lot of this shit about driving fucking Subarus. Or I guess just all-wheel drive cars in general. But yeah. Here we go.
Okay.
So back to double lane. Better at maintaining my drift instead of just spinning. Because my other car, the fucking Imprezzo, yeah, I spun that one like twice. That was fun, yeah.
They can't spin, yeah, no all-wheel drive invincibility.
So yeah, like a lot of people think all-wheel drive is just like cheating. Like fucking, one of the biggest defenders, Demon of the Downhill, is like all-wheel drive is cheating. Fucking the other dude, Zeph, thinks all-wheel drive is cheating. It's not, like it'll kill you.
You can still die. Not that I recommend it.
Death is not recommended, yeah. Here at Ridge Chaser, this is all CGI.
This is all computer generated.
Of the old Hazard Lines video where the Miata was chasing down the GTRs. I'll try to not kill you. I don't know if you're trying to get out the window or not.
Oh no, I guess my arm is long enough. It doesn't look like anyone's behind us. I think we lost all those cars.
Well, the Hyundai is behind us.
Yeah, the Hyundai, yeah.
He's like actually fast, so.
Indeed.
Realistically, he probably should have been in front of me.
No, it's all good. We didn't know any better. I don't know if he has like new brakes installed or not.
I definitely don't, so.
Right. What do you have now?
You mean on the brakes?
Yeah.
These are probably like AutoZone pads, honestly.
Okay.
I just wanted me out of here.
Here?
Oh, well, no, not here.
Oh.
It's deceiving. There's a lot of very similar looking turns here. Well, on one of these hairpins, yeah. It was my friend's first car, and I had to drive it home because he couldn't drive stick.
Oh, was it?
So he let me take mine, and I was like crashing on it.
Oh.
Yeah. And I spun it, and he would like, I expected him to be like pissed. I expected him to be like, get out. But like, no, he was just like, happens. And I was like, it does happen.
Yeah, that's the spirit, yeah. Literally God?
Yes, literally God.
Okay.
Shout out to literally God. If you're watching this, you're probably not. You're probably busy playing League of Legends.
Oh.
But if you're watching this, yeah, shout out. Thanks for letting me spin your car. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's when it starts to get kind of sketchy is on those long turns because you just got body roll on body roll on body roll. This fucking turn.
Oh,
yeah. Because it like, it crests there.
Okay, yes.
And it's like, it's hella, it's a decreasing radius and it crests. So yeah.
That's fair. I definitely got really sideways in the charge, the charger in that corner too.
Yeah, this car does not like enjoy this. Because I'm in fourth, but like, I'm in third. And I'm at like 3,000 RPM and it's not pulling like at all.
Oh.
It's just, I think it's the elevation combined with just being NA.
Got it. It's not, and the gearing, right?
And the gearing, yeah. I tried to fucking rotate it a little bit, but it just like, once it starts understeering, it's like a switch. It's like either or. You know, it's either understeer or oversteer.
No neutral steer for us.
Not really.
That probably gave them a little bit of a scare.
What, the biker?
Oh yeah, I mean, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, the front tires weren't having it, but I just tapped on the brakes and it like...
Uh-oh. Oh, whoa, what's this?
He wants me to go.
Okay. That we shall.
I think that's 2 for 2 on broken cars today.
Yeah. Does that mean we got second place?
I don't know, man. This ain't Mario Kart.
No.
I mean, it is, basically, but...
I was gonna say, like, I thought it was.
There's a little oversteer. See, it does it a lot more when it's, like, downhill or, like, over bumps.
Yeah.
Jesus H. This is that, like, antique store that I stopped at the first time I came up here.
Oh, so that's what this is.
Yeah, I stopped right there, and then the fucking GTR flew past me. The R32.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Man, what is the deal with that?
I don't know. He's apparently like a super rich dude on Instagram that just runs this shit in his super nice cars. Like, he's got like a Ferrari that's all like track specced out, and a Viper.
Alright, we're gonna have to call him out.
Yeah, I don't want to call him. I've heard he's a cool dude.
Oh, no.
He just got fast cars.
Okay, yeah, I don't want to be a dick then if he seems like
I'd run that GTR though, just for kicks.
Okay.
Just because I want to see what one actually looks like on the Touge. So, GTR guy, if you're watching this...
Which he probably not.
And you know this road. If you're watching this, you probably know this road. I want to race you. Get in contact on Instagram, at Team Diablo Knights. Just do like a fun run or something. At Team Diablo Knights or at Ridge Chaser on YouTube or Instagram or whatever.
Yeah. Please, we need this.
Okay, here we are.
Okay.
Let's start the excruciating process. It feels like a plane on, like, you know when you land on the plane?
Yeah.
There's a fine line between braking and braking.
Braking and braking, flipping cars and flipping
Okay,
cars.
look, it's that Forester.
On the record, I would rather someone
Sweet.
kind about a record. It doesn't help you write the next one. And you must remember a review is...
Wow, yeah, it looks like it's a good turnout here.
Too much store by
Oh, shit.
for the day that it's...
Bruh moment.